Well, they've got the lead, but they haven't got an awful lot else, if I'm being absolutely honest. They don't deserve to be in front. They've been on the back foot. They've had to defend. They've had bodies behind the ball, and they've defended with numbers, and they've defended quite well. And what they did is cut their team cold, and they managed to nick that goal. But it's steeled them now, I think, and it's going to make them even more difficult to break down, I think, in the second.
Finish to match. I'm afraid you just won't save them. They've got their noses in front then. Something to defend.
Well, they say possession wins you games. It's not at the moment.
Time for the players and indeed the rest of us to catch our breath. We'll need to. Half-time scoreline, it's 3-2.
Vamos, carioca, sai do teu sono devagar. O dia já vem vindo aí, o sol te decana pra tomar. Xangô, teu pai te dê muitas mulheres para amar. Vai, o teu caminho é tanto carinho para dar, cuidando teu benzinho.